Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pirate ship. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pirate ship, let's begin right about here on our paper. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come across. Next, we're going to go down, and then we're going to bring this line up here, just like a smiley face. Next, we're going to draw this line right across here. At the end of each of these lines, let's make a little hook. Next, we're going to redraw this whole line right here. So I'm going to bring this line across. We're going to go down and up. And then we're going to come right across here. Next, starting here, we're going to go down a little bit. Then we're going to bring this line in towards the middle. Next, we're going to bring this line, and you can see I'm kind of starting to curve it just a little bit. And right up here, let's do the same thing. I'm just going to curve this line down. Now, right along here, let's make it look like it's in water. So we're going to just make some little wavy lines right across here. Now, starting out here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring it back towards the ship. I'm going to make it get a little bit bigger as it comes back. Now let's draw some of the sails of our ship. So starting right here, let's put a great big sail. So I'm going to start with a line, and I'm just going to curve it like this. We want to leave quite a bit of space, and then we're going to curve another line, just like that. We want to bring this line across to connect it, and then let's go ahead and do the same thing here. Bring this line right across to connect it. Now, right above here, we'll do the same thing, but we'll make it a little bit smaller. We're going to make a curved line here, and we'll make a curved line right here. We're going to make a line across, and then we'll make another line across right here to connect it. Now over here we're going to make another one. It's going to be a little bit taller and skinnier. Let's begin with another one of those curves, and then we'll do another one here. You can see it's going to be a lot skinnier. Connect the top with a line across, and then let's connect the bottom right there with another line. Now this time up here we're going to make more of a triangle shape. So we'll leave some space from the top. We're going to come up and then down. You can see I kind of curved it a little bit. And then we'll make a line across for a little triangle shape. Now right on the back, we're going to do one more set of sails. So we'll start off with that curved line here, and then we'll put another one right here. We'll make a line across, and then another line across right here. Now we want to come in here and start to add a little bit of detail. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a nice long line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come back down. So we're going to start here. We'll make a line that comes up. We're going to jump over this sail, and we're going to connect right to here. I just kind of like to hover my marker, or if you're using a pencil, just kind of hover it right above. Then we're going to come up really close to the top, and then we're going to come back down. Then we'll just go down here, and then we're going to come down here and go all the way to the bottom. Now we're going to do the same thing up here. Let's go up. We'll jump over and we'll come right up to here. And then right here we're going to come down, and then we're going to go down right here. Starting here, we're going to go up. We'll jump over this, we'll come over and then back down, and then we'll connect it right here. That way all of the sails of our pirate ship are all connected. Now, starting here, I want to make a little pirate flag. So we're going to start here. Let's make a line that goes up. It's going to come down and then back up again. And then we'll do the same thing right underneath here. We're going to go up, down, and then back up. Now we're going to come down, and then we're going to go out like this. Now over here I want to make like the little crow's nest. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little line that comes across. We're going to come up like this, and then we're going to make a little line that curves across the top. And we can add a second little line right here. Right above this, let's make a little line that's going to come up and then down. And then we'll make another little flag. Let's go down, we're going to come back up, and then let's just bring it right back to here. And we'll add a little curve in here. We can also add a little curve right inside of here. Now right up here, let's make a little rectangle shape. And then we'll make another little line that's going to come up and down. And we'll make that same little flag that we made. So we're just going to go down and then up. And then we're going to go down and then up to here. We'll put that little curve in here. Now we want to add some little windows on here for our little pirate ship. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a circle right here, and then we're going to put another circle right here. Then we'll draw two circles here. We'll put one right here, and then we'll put one right here. This way we have some little windows on our pirate ship. And then I'm going to go and draw a smaller circle inside each one just to add a little bit of detail on there. You don't have to do that, but this just makes it look a little bit more detailed. Now right across here we want to make some lines just to make it look like it's kind of made out of wood. So let's start right here at the bottom of this line, and we're just going to come down and then kind of up a little bit with a curve. We'll do another one right here. And then let's do one right here. We're going to go right between these windows. So we're just going to come across. We'll jump across and then come right to here. Now, one of the things we want to add onto our little sail here is a fun little pirate skull. So let's start right here. Let's begin by making a circle shape, but we're not going to make the whole circle. Then right here we're going to make a line that goes down and up. We'll go down and up, and then down and up, and we'll connect right to here. Next we'll make a circle here, and then we'll make another circle here for the eyes. And then we can just color this part in. Now on the sides here, I want to make it look like there's a little crossbone across here. So let's make two lines that come up, And then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down about the halfway point. And then we're going to make another one that curves up and down here. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go 2 little lines that come out. And then we'll put those 2 little bumps on here. Now we also want to do it down here because right now it kind of looks like Shrek. So we're going to make 2 lines that come down. And we'll add those 2 little bumps. And then we'll do 2 lines over here. And then we'll do 2 more little bumps. That way it kind of looks like a skull and crossbones on there. And then I want to add one more little skull up here. So we're going to make another little circle shape. And then let's add a couple little bumps up here. And inside of it, let's just make 2 black dots for the eyes. And there you go, there is your drawing of an easy little pirate ship. Now there's lots of other little details you could add. You could put some cannons on here, some birds, or some sharks in the water. There's lots of things, but I'm just gonna keep it kind of simple. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.